How to cancel Uber Eats order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can cancel Uber Eats order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel your Uber Eats order, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Uber Eats application. Let's say there has been some type of order that you might have accidentally made, or maybe you want to add something to that order and you would like to cancel the order. What are the steps that you can do? Make sure that you're logged in, and after you've done that, you want to simply come to the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, make sure to just tap on this little orders button that you can find from the very top. As you tap the orders button, you will be able to see a list of orders that you've made. So just select a specific order that you would like to cancel, and then you'll be able to find the cancel button. This way you'll be able to cancel Uber Eats order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.